Huzur, addressing the honeybees, Allah says in the Holy Quran that Fasluki Subula Rabbike Zulula. So, what are the subuls of honeybee, and what is Zulula?
Zulula means submissively, and subul are all the ways Allah has taught her, preparing the honey from different flowers, their dances, the way they construct their houses, and the propolis they make. Everything is subul, which is taught to honeybee, the ways and means of doing things. You understand? Or no? You try your Bangladeshi language. Yeah. I think he's slightly confused about the meaning of subul Rabbika. It's not Allah's roads, but the paths which Allah has taught. Subul Rabbi means the path which Allah has taught you, you follow those paths.